Recently, Master K was talking about how she could cook, and she said she made soup, and how she usually does it is that she puts a can of tuna and then mix instant miso and then hot water and then put some black pepper, and she said it tastes pretty good. And I was like, oh, it's good to use leftovers or whatever food that you have around the house to improvise. And she said, I'm not improvising, I just like eating like that. So I said, oh, that's nice. I personally think it's gonna look like cat food, but it does make me kind of curious to try it. Maybe it does taste good. Heard it tastes like fancy feast. I wouldn't know what that tastes like. Well, I don't really know what she's doing. She's off. Just, I don't know. I don't really know what she's doing. I try not to dig into her personal life too much. I'm sure she's living the life. No, I have to go out and buy some groceries for her actually, because she ran out of tuna, and that's why she is opting for protein bars. And yeah, seems that protein bars are pretty good for her. So I mean, as long as she found something that's working, so yeah, that's great. Good for her. I'm happy for her. Yeah, you know, I do serve her pretty closely, but not everything she does is something that I understand. Oh, so Master K was asking me what her dinner should be. She's got 2 protein bars that she got today, right before she decided to do something. So should she try the double chocolate chunk flavor or cookies and cream? What do you think? Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of cookies and cream, so I'll probably recommend her that. Just to make sure that it's not poisoned, I'm going to test it out myself. Wow, like fancy.